Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, we have yet another one of these Bunker Hill Security LED solar lights. This is kind of the next step up from the last one I did. If you haven't seen those, go check those out. I've got one of the older solar powered lights from Harbor Freight, and then a newer version after that. And now I picked this one up. I honestly can't remember what I paid for it. It was one of those on sale, really good deals, so I went ahead and picked it up. It's a little brighter, I think, than the last one I got because it has two lights instead of one. We'll have to see. These are really, you just plug them in, hook these to whatever you want to hook them to, hook that to whatever you want to, which is the solar panel, to somewhere where it's going to get light, and plug them together. They're really not difficult to put together. Now this one I am going to try and adapt to my trailer. So we'll see how well that goes, or if I can figure something out. So I will say that yet again, during wet weather, the oldest one works the best. It actually seems to go on and off. I haven't had too many problems with it, haven't noticed it running out of charge. The other one, for some reason, when it gets really wet out, somehow must get moisture in it, and for a couple days it'll just stay on, run the battery dead, won't work, so I'll shut it off so that it'll charge up the battery, and then once it kind of dries out, it works fine. So like I said, between the two I have one most of the time. So I figure with a third one, maybe I'll have more than enough light when I need it, hopefully all the time. There you go. These seem to go up and down however you want. They also go side to side, so I like that. I'll be able to put it just kind of anywhere I want to put it. It's basically the same. Wow, hey, it's working already. It's been in a box for how long? Same switch as the other one, same settings it looks like as the other ones. So I'm going to set those the way I want to set them here. You got your time, so I usually put that one all the way up. I want it to stay on as long as it'll stay on. I like it to come on kind of in dusk, or maybe even a little sooner. So if you go that way with it, it'll come on lighter lights. If you go that way with it, it'll have to get darker. So I leave that one about in the middle, and sense. Also turn that one all the way up, because if I want some light, I don't care who's out there, I want to know. So we got that one all the way up. Now you can set those the way you want to set them. That is my preference. This, like I said, I really like that it moves all around. It's got appears to be the same solar panel as the second one I got, the newer version, as I called it in that video. And the hardware, and it appears to be some way of clipping it to something. I don't know if that's for this or this. So, and then, whoop, this just plugs into the bottom here once you get your solar light figured out. Fairly simple, fairly easy to use. So I kind of showed that wrong. This actually hooks up back here on this. Let's see, I gotta get it the right way. That hooks on there, which is really neat for trailer use. Well, I was making videos of some new lights I got over there, and I realized I didn't put this video up, so I just wanted to show you kind of how I had this hooked up here. And right now I have it, the solar panel over there, but I can put that solar panel up on top of my awning, actually, is what I end up doing when I'm camping. I've been camping a couple times, but when I go to drive down the road, I can pull that off of there and put it away. So that's working real nice for me. I didn't have to cut that middle piece out. That still hooks right there. And I can put that on, and when it's here in my driveway, it works to give me some extra light. Anyhow, just thought I'd finish this video up. So thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.